Hello, I am Emre from Huawei Developers and welcome to Huawei Tutorial Series. Today, I am going to show you AR Engine capabilities. Firstly, I want to say that AR is abbreviation of augmented reality, and meaning of this is an interactive experience of a real-world environment where the objects that reside in the real world are enhanced by computer-generated perceptual information, sometimes across multiple sensory modalities, including visual, auditory, haptic, somatosensory, and olfactory. AR Engine is an engine for building augmented reality apps for Android smartphones that allows your app to bridge the virtual and real worlds for a brand new visually interactive user experience. Use AR Engine to build a brand new visual experience and interactivity. Currently, AR Engine provides three types of capabilities. Thanks to these capabilities, AR Engine is able to better perceive real-world environments in building a hybrid world in which physical and virtual objects interact seamlessly, and enable your app to provide for seamless virtual-physical convergence. Motion tracking follows device location and position relative to their environment and establish a unified geometric space between the digital and physical worlds. Environment tracking records illumination, plane, image, object, surface, and other environmental information to help your apps merge virtual objects into scenarios in the physical world. Human body and face tracking returns real-time information about human bodies, faces, and hand gesture for your user to interact with virtual objects. The AR Cloud service stores and manages 3D models and detects and tracks 3D objects with rich texture in natural scenarios through a 3D object recognition ability. You can upload a 3D model file to the cloud, orchestrate the training task, perform deep learning, and release the trained model. The client can obtain the recognition result from the cloud by sending a recognition request. You'll simply need to prepare a 3D model file of the object to be tracked. Huawei Reality Studio, a multifunctional 3D editor that supports 3D scene editing, animation production, and event interaction. You can use this editor to develop XR content in various fields: education and training, e-commerce shopping, entertainment, and more, without the need to learn much 3D related knowledge. Currently, Huawei Reality Studio supports only model editing. If you need to build a 3D model from scratch, you will need to use a professional model building tool. In Huawei Reality Studio, you can easily create animation by clicking and dragging. Currently, the following types of animation are supported: displacement, scale, rotation, visibility, opacity. Soft hardware optimization. Streamless modules, chips, algorithms, and Harmony OS with hardware acceleration to provide better, greener AR effects. Differentiated capabilities. Offer gesture and body recognition and interaction thanks to unique hardware of Huawei devices, in addition to the SLAM and environmental understanding. Multi-device support. Integrates with a diverse range of Huawei devices and has already achieved 1.1 billion downloads. Thank you for watching. For more detailed information, you can visit developer.huawei.com.